Hi everyone, today I'm going to show you how to fold a chick. Just a cute little baby chicken. Now this is a traditional model. I'll be using a 6-inch sheet of kami, and we're going to start with the colored side down. Then we're going to valley fold in half along the diagonal. So I'll bring this top right corner down to meet the bottom left corner. Just line those two corners up. Hold them in place and then crease all the way across. Next we'll rotate the model. Then I'm going to bring this right corner down to meet the bottom corner. So line those up at the bottom, then crease that down. Do the same thing with the left corner. Bring that down to the bottom and then crease that. Next, we'll turn the model over. Then we're going to valley fold in half. So I'm going to bring this right corner over to meet the left corner. Crease that down. Next, we're going to valley fold one of these flaps up, just the top flap. And this is done to taste, but the fold is going to start from this corner on the left. So we're going to fold that up. It'll be about this much. Just start the crease from that corner, then you can slide it around until you have it about here and then crease it all firmly. Now turn the model over and do the same thing on this side. Should be a little easier because you'll just be making it line up with the other flap. Just start it from that corner there. Then line it up with the flap behind and crease it down. Next, we're going to make an inside reverse fold up here. And we're going to start with a pre-creasing step. So it'll be a valley fold that starts right where these two edges meet. We'll fold that down, and this is to form the beak. We'll do it about this much. And then crease it down. Then we'll unfold that. And now we'll turn it into an inside reverse fold. So to do that, we open this up and swing that point down inside using the existing crease that we have. And then the crease that's on this side will reverse. Once you reverse that crease, you'll just swing that flap down and then close it up and press it all down firmly. Next, we're going to make another inside reverse fold on the bottom, and we'll do a pre-creasing step for this as well. And the valley fold is going to start underneath these wings here. So it can help if you lift that up slightly to see underneath. Then you fold it out about this much. And crease that. And then unfold, and we'll turn that into an inside reverse fold just like the one we did a second ago. So we'll open these up and bring those creases together. Then flatten everything. Now there we have it. It should be able to stand up on its own. But we're all done. I hope you liked this video. If you did, please make sure to subscribe. And thanks so much for watching, and we'll see you next time.